morning. Today we are accompanied by Marlene Benítez, Jessica Morales, Yutsil Guasso, Esther Yasmin, Alfredo Bautista, and her server Gonzalo Martínez to talk about the campaign Cleaning Today, Living Tomorrow. What is a project that seeks to change the way people think? There are some solutions and examples of the causes of pollution.
The objective in this campaign is create awareness in people about the importance of having clean space and the collection waste for a common good.
We have considered to be a main problem to solve pollution of our immediate environment. For the same reason, we have looked for some solutions as they are to the conscience of the problem, since we consider this like it more important. To relate some activities that consist of garbage compilation, clean lanes of certain areas, to implement sanctions, so that this way the persons think more about the consequences of throwing garbage before doing it.
Among the significant facts, we can say that this problem is something that is happening throughout the world and progresses in a rapid way. For example, 1. Breathing the air in Beijing for a day has the same health effects as smoking 20 white cigarettes.
Another fact is that the 30% of global waste is produced by Americans. They represent the 5% of the world's population. Also, 14 million of rubbish is thrown into the ocean every year, and most of it is plastic waste.
May we not be late to care for the world. Small actions are not enough. We have helped to produce a challenge and stop this problem.